laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you...
So, hi guys! Good afternoon! Ito, ready na tayo kasi, lalabas. Hindi ko kasama ang aking asawa kasi i-meet up ko yung mga friends ko. Ready na tayo? Nakaget up na. May pakita-kitang konting dyan, skin. At ito yung ating whole outfit. Tapos, may pa-shades pa tayo dyan. Pang malakasang shades natin. So, ito yung whole outfit natin. Ayan. Tapos, ballerina. Ballerina yung natin kasi lakaran. So, ready na tayo. Ito yung regalo natin sa nag-birthday. Ayan. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Rotterdam. Video lang habang naghihintay. Ayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa harap ng Markthal, meeting place namin. Asa na kaya ito? Ayan. Lakad-lakad muna tayo kasi nawala yung imimit ko. Diyan, yung likod yung Markthal. At itong dito. Hanapin ko lang. Nasa Hoogstraat daw eh. Ayan yung art ng Rotterdam. Ano nga lang, ito yung St. Lawrence Kerk. Ano nga lang ito dito, tawag doon. Merong construction, kaya medyo messy.
This crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold our friend to light the way when the world starts to
dinner.
Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to.
So, dito ang ating location for today's dinner. Yan yung ating magiging view. Ito yung mga kasama ko. Hoe heet deze IJssel?
Hollandse IJssel.
Hollandse IJssel. Yung river. Ang tawag sa river na to.
Oh, dat is stopt. Ja.
Wedstrijd. Speedboat race. At ito yung pusa na inaalagaan ko. Mostly every year talaga siya pag nagbabakasyon yung namin. Neighbor namin. Hi, Olivia! Olivia! Yung pangalan niya is Olivia. Tumataba every Hey. Yeah. Hey. Lisa. Ja. Michelle, die komt morgen wel. Jouw baas. Ja. Die komt wel. So, good morning. Kakabalik ko lang galing sa pusa. Binigyan ko muna ng pagkain bago ako kakain. So, ngayon maghahanda ako ng pagkain ko. So, i-end ko na ang vlogs kasi medyo pang 3 days na vlog na to. Very short lang naman ang ating mga clips. So, salamat sa panonood. See you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye.